Hey YouTube, Steven the Salon Guy here, and let's talk about how to prevent your hair from falling flat throughout the day. There's a lot of videos I've done on how to get volume, and there's a lot of tips out there. But as a professional hairstylist, I have some tricks up my sleeve that you don't really hear talked about from people on YouTube, especially that aren't professional hairstylists. So let's jump right into it. And there's something called teasing, all right? Teasing is an old school method or technique of actually applying the comb, which I'll show you in a second, but it creates a base or a cushion that literally supports your hair and gives you that volume. But what it does is it's like a foundation for your hair. Let's jump right in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So essentially you're just gonna need a regular hair cutting comb, and what teasing is, or backcombing basically is another term or phrase for it. And what it is instead of traditionally combing the hair upwards like this, all right, combing it up, we're backcombing or combing down. And what that does is it creates a little bit of a cushion here, and it teases the hair, as you can see right through here. Creates a little bit of almost like a little bit of a nest, all right? And what that does is it locks in the base of the hair at the scalp and will keep it locked in place throughout the day. So you can use the wide teeth, you can use the fine teeth like this, and all I'm doing is going in, pushing down at the scalp and creating a base support right in through here. And then that's gonna give you a bunch of volume in your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this and tease the whole top of the hair, and then we'll take a quick look and see what it looks like. Now that the teasing is done, this is what you're gonna end up looking like. You're definitely gonna look like you stuck your finger in an electrical socket. But what this is doing, it's creating a base foundation for your hair. Then you can hit it with some hairspray if you want, just to kind of lock it in. But essentially what the teasing or the backcombing is doing, it's creating a really, really solid base to support your hairstyle. Now, what do you do from here? How do you tame this? Well, honestly, it depends on you. If you want something that's gonna maintain a lot of fullness, then literally what you do is just kind of shape the ends a little bit and work it into style. You know, once you have all that volume in the hair, then you can go in and you can actually start to texturize and shape your hair with your fingers, believe it or not. You know, what you wanna do is you wanna lightly kind of piece it out like this. This is the best time to use your fingers, or you can use a comb lightly on the top surface of the hair, just to kind of make it look like it's a lot more blended and connected together. But what you don't want to start doing is combing out that teasing that you put in at the base. So the best thing to do that I suggest literally is to use your hands and to kind of just work throughout the ends of the hair, right? And what that's doing, it's allowing the backcombed area down through here to have that volume that you want, but then at the same time to make it look a lot more controlled and more manageable, so it's not like anything that's super out of control. So you can see here, we have a ton of volume right in through here. Now I'm going to kind of mold this into style using my fingers, and this is the best part of the whole thing, okay? So there we go. This works great on fine hair. It works great on men's hair, women's hair, anyone's hair. It's a little, a little old school trick that has been around for many, many years. Those of you that are hairstylists, you'll know about this. You probably do it every day in the salon. And also what's great about this is you can literally just, once that base and that support is in there, you can go in and get as much volume, as you want. So teasing or backcombing is a great trick to actually support the style and support the volume throughout the day. I know I'm probably gonna get a couple of questions on this, like, can you go use product after this? How long is it gonna last? Well, it really depends, honestly. Can you use product? You can. I would suggest, teasing the hair first. Make sure that your hair is fully dried. If you wanna wash it that day, or probably the next day is better. It works really good when the hair is a little bit more dirty. So I would say wash it completely, towel dry it, then blow dry it fully to where there's really, your hair is 100% dry. Then go in and backcomb it and tease it to where you're exactly where you want it. And then you can use the product to mold it into shape, and then that's gonna really help extend the longevity of your hairstyle throughout the day. And again, this is great for men and women, and hopefully this will help you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the bell so you're notified when my videos go live. And I will see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.